Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing today? It's your girl Miss Benin in America. And to my new subscribers, thank you for joining us. My returning subscribers, you're all welcome. And today I will be showing you guys how I make my favorite Jamaica smoothie, right? And I'll be using pineapple. This pineapple has been inside the fridge for about 4 days, so it's very cold. I use lemon and ginger. Then I have my honey right here with me and my blender. So let's get right into it. Let me show you how I'm gonna do it. So I'll peel off the skin and peel off the skin of the pineapple also. So let's start. Let's not waste time. It's very cold. So yeah, then this is ginger. I'm just gonna cut it. I'll cut the ginger and the pineapple together and put them in the blender. So here is ginger and pineapple. So the next, I'll cut the lemon into 2. And then press the juice inside the blender. Then I'll press the juice inside the blender. So the next one will be honey. I'm going to add and then I will add water to it. Yeah. Then cover it up till it's tight, and then I want to start blending. So finish blending it. See, very smooth, but then I still want to strain it. So now I will strain it. Ooh. So it's time to serve. I just finished straining it. I already strained this too. So guys, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Yes, it's very refreshing. Now it's chilly. Oh, I can't wait to finish this drink. So I want to drink now. Cheers, guys. Ooh, that's so sweet. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys on my next video. All right. Give this a try. I know you will like it. All right. Bye.